educational programs that are available for 3 and 4-year-olds are free and low-cost programs that include California State Preschool Program, like what's offered through Shasta County Office of Education Early Childhood Services. There's Head Start programs available, and an example would be Shasta Head Start. There are transitional kindergartens available on all district campuses throughout the county. And there's also other educational programs like family child care homes, after-school programs, community-based organizations.
The very first thing I think for parents to realize when they're coming into a classroom is that they're welcome. That they are welcome to come in and spend some time with their child, making that transition easier. A teacher can greet the parent, see if there's anything going on with the child for the day.
You get to find the program that fits your child the best. Programs offer a part day or full day program. Do they offer a healthy lunch, breakfast, snack? Is there a cost for the program? Is my child going to be taking a nap? Are they going to have a time to rest? Do they get to play outside? What kind of equipment do they have? Do they have access to bikes, balls? Do they have access to jungle gyms so that they're able to go and use their large motor skills?
Parents are going to see a warm, welcoming space, a safe environment for kids.
With age-appropriate materials, which means looking for smaller furniture, a play-based learning center with hands-on activities in all the areas. It's really important because so much research shows that children learn best through play.
You want to look for areas where children can just go and choose their own things to do.
You're going to see clearly defined learning areas, areas for dramatic play, areas for art and science. You're going to see age-appropriate toys and books and structures. You're going to see artwork on the walls that the children are proud of that they did. You're also going to see lots of pictures of their families on the walls. You should see kids getting messy. You should see Play-Doh and slime and glitter. You're going to have visual schedules on the wall so the kids know that schedule.
When I walk into a classroom, I want to see a joyful atmosphere. So I want to see those warm relationships and caring teachers and children interacting positively with each other.
A teacher's going to have a great relationship with the children and the families. A teacher's going to be open-minded and have an open door policy. You can come in and talk to that teacher when you need to and be open about what's going on with your family. A teacher's going to support the social emotional growth of the children in their classroom with kindness. You want a teacher that works well with their team, their entire classroom. They work as a whole and they make learning fun for everyone.
Making sure they have specialized training in early childhood education, and they also show that they are continuing with their professional development. So they're learning, because there's new research in early childhood education coming out all the time. So it's important to keep up to date, creating a warm, responsive, supportive classroom that really builds relationships not only between adults and the children in the classroom, but between children themselves. So they're excited to come to school. An example of that might be greeting each child at the door and maybe talking about, their favorite pet or their favorite toy, because you've really gotten to know that each child in your classroom. So being able to model meaningful conversations, helping children communicate with each other, and also just developing vocabulary through storytelling, through songs, dramatic play, puppetry. And so helping children being able to understand their emotions, express their emotions, develop friendships with other peers in their classroom, and then also practicing problem-solving skills. So that could be helping kids take turns, because maybe at home they don't have to share their toys as much, but at school they would have to share. So helping children to learn those. Looking for a really good balance of social emotional interactions and academic development. So at that age, academics, a lot of times people say, well, they're just playing, but that's academics for children.
And learning those self-help skills, potty training and other self-help skills. There's a time to learn language in a rich environment.
And then it's also very important because children get very tired sometimes at that area. So just providing a down or quiet time, and that doesn't necessarily mean that there would be napping, but that's an option. But some children just need a quiet time and they might look at a book or something like that. So just sort of dimming the lights, having maybe quiet music, and just letting children rest.
If you're looking for help finding care or an educational program for your 3 and or 4-year-old children, the best place to start is Shasta County Office of Education, Early Childhood Services. You can stop by our office located on Hilltop Drive.